Hi, I'm Andrew Easler, Managing Attorney at Easler Law. Today, we're going over your most pressing legal questions. Today's legal question is, how do I find where a company is incorporated? There are a couple of common ways where you can find where a company is incorporated. The first place to look is at the local Secretary of State in the jurisdiction where you think it may reside. Typically, you can search online, find the company, see where its principal office is located, and start from there. Most Secretaries of State will have a searchable database that's free for anybody in the public to search. You can also look if the company is publicly traded through the online filing system with the Securities and Exchange Commission called EDGAR. EDGAR is free as well to search. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.